How to fix the Roblox error code 403. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix the Roblox error code. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go and open up your Windows, and here you have to search for the run. Now once you are in the run app administration, you just have to go in the open, and here you have to search for the app data, and you just have to press the enter. Now you have to go in the local, and from here you have to scroll down and find the option of the Roblox. Now from here you have to go in the variants of your Roblox and go in the Roblox Studio installer. Now here you just have to tap on it and wait for the installing Roblox Studio, and once it is installed you have to go in the Windows, and here you have to search for your Roblox Studio. Now you have to click on this arrow icon and you have to go in its open file location, and you have to right click on the Roblox Studio and go in its properties. Now you have to simply click on its compatibility and make sure that run this program as an administrator is toggle on, and after that you just have to apply the changes and click on the OK, and you have to go into the Roblox and you have to add your email address, username and the phone number, and add your password and log in into your account. And after that you are able to fix the Roblox error code 403. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.